Good afternoon, Teresa and Nate. My name is Sabrina Mueller with Team Velocity, and Mike and Bill wanted me to send you over some information about our latest product, which is used car video advertising for Advid. Here's an overview from our Senior Vice President, Joe High.
Thanks, Sabrina. So quick video, and then I'm going to talk through it. Here we go.
Searching for a reliable used car? Shop the area's best selection of affordable cars at unbeatable prices. Want a vehicle with low mileage? We have a wide selection in stock and ready for delivery. Every pre-owned vehicle comes standard with a multi-point inspection, free complimentary vehicle history report, and limited time warranty. Visit us online or stop by our dealership today to discover incredible savings across our entire inventory.
A couple quick bullet points on what you saw there. Obviously, it's our used car video platform that we just rolled out last week. What we're highlighting in that video is each segment which matches Google's targeting. For example, that was the used sedan segment. We will also have trucks, SUVs, vans, I believe hybrids. There's a number of different segments that Google has that also match the segments we have for inventory. So we create a video every night for each of those used segments, target that video to Google's in-market shopper list for that specific segment. Then from a creative perspective, what was in there, and feel free to rewind and watch again, but what you're gonna see is we're highlighting the, in that case, sedan, right? We're highlighting the lowest price sedan in your lot. We're highlighting the lowest mileage sedan on your lot. And also, I believe the request that you all had made for us to add to this was the vehicle that's been on your lot the longest, again, for the sedans. There's a little bit of a gallery of images in there. That gallery is all sedans from that dealership's inventory. So on every one of the segments, that's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get 3 highlighted vehicles, and all the rest of the imagery will also match that same segment. Obviously, that gives us the most relevance that we can possibly have when we're matching it with the audience. We're going to be doing remarketing from the dealer websites, as well as your custom search intent audiences, and then obviously Google's behavioral audiences. That's pretty much the gist. The other thing that I wanted to show you real quick, I will pull up here for you, is the back-end system and what we're doing to highlight the voiceover technology. So it's an automated voiceover. We just rolled out this functionality using Google's text-to-speech. And let me pull this up for you. What it allows us to do is manage the voiceovers at the manufacturer or the dealer level. We can obviously upload a file, old school style, but I can also come in and create a script, right? So the way that the process works here, let me share some audio with you. Okay, there we go. I can pick a voice name and I can simply put anything in here. Searching for a new Honda. Visit us today to find your next Civic. All right, we can listen to what that sounds like.
Searching for a new Honda? Visit us today to find your next Civic.
Right, so obviously here, all you're hearing is the voice itself. The music bed gets incorporated to it automatically, which makes it sound much less robotic. But it's also a very scaled solution. So the way we would actually do this from a technology perspective is this Honda would be replaced with the make, and Civic would be replaced with the model. And as we go to preview that, it's going to ask for those things to be populated, right? So our data automatically feeds this into our feeds on a nightly basis, and it would be populating those variables with Honda Civic. And then
searching for a new Honda? Visit us today to find your next Civic.
Right, so there's other tools in here, right? I can highlight a section, for example, and I can put emphasis on it. You know, if I want to highlight and make it strong and oops, let me get that a little bit better. Put the emphasis on it. Where we're really going to be going with things like that are with these if statements, right? So some of the cool stuff I can do with an if statement is I can say if the APR is less than 2.9%, then I want to highlight that. All right. So for example, I can come in here and I could put that in and say, all right, if I'm just going to make some of these up, right? Hashtag APR is less than 3%, then here's what I want to say, right? APR as low as that. Otherwise, we have great finance rates available. You can see I've done this before, right? And so I can drop that right in. And so I can do a lot of powerful stuff, having a very relevant message going to a very specific audience in Google, all at scale, and it updates every single night. So pricing changes, your inventory changes, the vehicle sells, anything changes, it updates every night across the board. So let us know if you have any questions, but that's just a quick video for you to cover the basics.
And thank you for watching our video today. Hope that information was helpful. Please reach out to Mike and Bill if you want any more information. We'll also be happy to set up a live demo or discussion further on how this solution can help you and your dealerships. Thank you. Hope you have a great rest of the day.